I did a reel a few weeks back about gutting your expansion valve in the bunk of one of these 379s in order to flush through that system as one unit. Got a lot of confusion on that post. I think I might have not come across very clear. I always replace these expansion valves with new, same with orifice tubes, accumulators, receiver dryers, etc., whenever we're doing major work on a system. So after I gut this, I put it back in the system. I use it to basically complete the circuit so I can flush the bunk right here at the firewall and not chance getting debris or this flushing agent inside the cabin compartment. I take this gutted expansion valve back out of the system, replace it with a new one, and put it all back together. This is the expansion valve that is out of the bunk of this sleeper on this truck that had a catastrophic compressor failure. I want to show you the trash that I dug out of this. And this is why it is so important to flush these systems of the contamination after a failure in order to, one, make sure you're not plugging expansion valves and orifice tubes with old debris, and two, we're also protecting ourselves from washing all of that debris and contamination through our brand new compressor and compromising its longevity.
Okay, here we are in the bunk. You can hear the fluid flushing through this. So we are flushing this backwards. So our flush agent is coming up through the floor, through this hose, going through our evaporator, coming out the other side, through our gutted expansion valve, back out the high pressure line, back to the flushing machine. Just as soon as I get this system purged, I'm going to install my brand new expansion valve.
I had some guys ask about how to purge the system, and it's super easy. All you got to do is turn the pump off. I've got my regulated air supply coming in. I'm just going to open these two valves. It is using the air supply to push all of the cleaning agent out of the system back into the reservoir, and I'll let that run for several minutes to make sure that system is dry.
Alright, we got a new expansion valve installed. We got our sensing bulb installed on the suction line. Man, it's hotter than a billy goat with a blowtorch back here. If you ever worked in a sleeper without no airflow, I know you know what I mean. We gotta put this HVAC box back together and get out of here. Yeah, boy.